हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। गर्मी के मौसम में हम कहते हैं पंखा चालू कीजिए, फैन ऑन। बस हमारी यही ट्रिक छुपी है फैन ऑन की। पंखा चालू कीजिए, फैन ऑन। When hydrogen atom is combined with more electronegative atom like fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen, then formation of a special type of bond takes place which is known as hydrogen bond. If hydrogen link with more electronegative elements like fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, then it forms a special type of bond known as hydrogen bond. Let me explain the hydrogen bond. HF molecules, hydrogen fluoride molecules. In the formation of hydrogen fluoride molecule, fluorine and hydrogen shares one electron each. Being a more electronegative elements, fluorine attract the electron towards itself. So, slightly negative charge is developed on fluorine atom and this hydrogen becomes slightly positively charged. These slightly positively charged hydrogen atom has tendency to link with more electronegative atoms. This tendency to form a special type of bond is called hydrogen bond. Means the bond which is formed between slightly positively charged hydrogen atom and more electronegative atom is called hydrogen bond. It is denoted by a dotted line. It is a very weak bond and requires 20 kilojoule energy. Second case, oxygen, H2O. In water molecules, there is also intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present. Example, being a more electronegative elements, oxygen attract sharing of electrons, so it becomes slightly negative charge. These hydrogen becomes slightly positive charge, more negative elements. These hydrogen is capable to form a special type of weak bond. This bond is called hydrogen bond. Same in the case of ammonia, nitrogen, first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom. Nitrogen is electronegative than hydrogen, attract the electrons. This positively charged hydrogen forms a special type of bond with more electronegative elements called hydrogen bond. Types. There are two types of hydrogen bond. Very first, intermolecular hydrogen bond. And second, intramolecular hydrogen bond. एज वी नो अबाउट इंटरसिटी, हम इस इंटरसिटी के बारे में जानते हैं, दो सिटियों को जो लिंक करती है उसे हम इंटरसिटी कहते हैं। व्हेन द मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट and hydrogen atom, when the more electronegative element and hydrogen atom which forms hydrogen bond, when the more electronegative elements and hydrogen atom which formed hydrogen bond are present in two different molecules called intermolecular hydrogen bond. In intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the hydrogen atom which forms hydrogen bond with more electronegative elements, both are present in same species known as intramolecular hydrogen bond. से इंट्रा विद इन अ सिटी, जैसे सिटी बस जो चलती है वो सिटी के अंदर ही चलती है हमारे पास में, तो इसी प्रकार से इंट्रामोलिकुलर एटम बॉन्डिंग व्हेन द हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम्स which formed hydrogen bond present in same molecules called intramolecular hydrogen bond. Now uses, application or effect of hydrogen bonding. First, physical state. भौतिक अवस्था, ड्यू टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फिजिकल स्टेट चेंज, ड्यू टू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फिजिकल स्टेट चेंज. एग्जाम्पल, if we compare the physical state of H2O and H2S, the molecular mass of H2S is high, 2 plus 32 मतलब 34, while the molecular mass of water is 18. Although the molecular mass of H2S is high, but it is gas, while H2O having lower molecular mass is in liquid state due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In water molecules, intermolecular hydrogen bonds are present, that's why they come closer to each other and forms liquid. Second, boiling point and boiling point, Kothanang. Due to hydrogen bonding, boiling point increases. The boiling point of ammonia is higher than phosphine because in ammonia hydrogen bonds are present and phosphine there is no hydrogen bond. So first, physical state change, second, boiling point, third, solubility. Like dissolve like, समान समान को घोलता है. The substance which forms hydrogen bond with water easily soluble in water. अमोनिया वाटर soluble है जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है. तो लाइक डिजॉल्व लाइक, सेम टेंडेंसी वाले एलिमेंट्स एक दूसरे डिजॉल्व करते हैं. अल्कोहल पानी में soluble है बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो फॉर्म्स इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. एंड फोर्थ, viscosity. Shanta, गाढ़ापन. The resistance in flow of liquid is known as viscosity. Due to hydrogen bonding, viscosity increases. The alcohol is viscous than water and the glycerin is more viscous than alcohol due to hydrogen bonding. Number of hydrogen bonds are greater in glycerin or glycerol, then second in ethanol and last in water. So this is all about hydrogen bonding.